What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request today from Emmanuel. This is Alberto from Rise of the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. So, don't know anything about this. So, I'm just going to get into it. Landscape page, use pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. Yeah, let's just go. Right, we start with the eyes. So, center point of my page about here. We'll just come up. He mightn't be perfectly center on my page, but doesn't matter really. So we'll go, say, yeah, here. So an oval shape for his eye. Right, one eye. And in here, we have another oval, but he's got a highlight left in it, and it's drawn in, right? So you go like a letter U, like that. And then we go down and up. And that's just black, right? So they draw in the highlight for the eye. And then it's kind of robot eye over here. The eyes are real close together. And then this red Terminator style eye on this side. His nose just in the middle. And he's got a mustache coming out from there. Real twirly, evil kind of mustache. So he's got these big pink cheeks curving around, right? Same on this side. And then this kind of bumps across the top of his nose down to there. And then he's got this shape around his eyes. This sort of letter M kind of thing. So he's got a big mouth, right? All the way down. And we have this piece of skin that kind of sticks off somewhere down here, but we'll keep going. We'll go up the other side. Okay, so it's like his skin is falling off here or something, right? So it comes back around, curves up, and then back up to the mustache there. And then we got like, it's like skin falling off here. And then we will go around for his metal mouth, right? Spiking. Right, and then twists around for like a tooth or something here. Like so. And he does have a tooth sticking up the middle, like one solitary tooth. And then the side of his metal mouth here, and it has like some lines on it just to show some shadow. So in his head, it's just a big round head, right? So it comes down, has some fur sticking off kind of here. Just some spikes, and then you go spikes, fur down the bottom. And then around, and some spikes, fur or hair sticking off here. This goes right up to the top of his head, right? And then we got some more metal parts kind of here, right? So just these gray android sort of side of his head. It's like an android or something. Some lines on it, some holes that you just color black in the top corners, and then some holes here, some circular ones. And we'll put a shadow inside just to make it look like they go inside his head, you know. Then his ears, spiking up, down, spiking up. There's like a bite taken out of this ear. And then this comes across like so. So his hair, just curly hair, right? And it's just done real simple, kind of cloud-like. Imagine you're drawing a cloud. Like so, sticking out the back. And then we have like a chef's hat. All right. And then the hat coming out the back to the top, and it's all torn and stuff on the top here, like that. So then for his shoulders, so we go out from the hair sort of this way, down like that, and then there's got some tears on this side because his robot arm sticks out, right? So you can't really see his shoulder on this side, just his body sort of goes down there. And there is some tears on this sleeve as well, but it's more of a normal sort of arm until you get down to the bottom. Right, so like a faux line or something here, and then his buttons and stuff on this side. So buttons here. Like so. Then he has a cravat, like a red thing coming down here. All folded fabric. Like so. Maybe a shadow in between here. Right, so then his arms. So on this side, he's got like just a normal sort of furry arm. Until you get down to his wrist, and then he has a piece of metal. Now, it couldn't fit in all of his hand, but if you have more room, feel free. Right, and, well, we'll finish this one first. So this kind of just like comes across like so. And we go in behind these discs, right? These sort of ovals for his knuckles. Right, and then this one's in behind this one. This one in behind this one, right? And then the fingers come out. That's his thumb, so that goes the opposite direction. Opposable thumbs, yeah. Right, and then they have little balls on them. And then that goes down that way. Then a little ball on this one. And then in here, we just make them look kind of 3D by adding edge lines and these little ovals inside. And the back of his wrist is like there. Okay, and maybe like some fur lines and stuff here. Right, so then like his robot sort of arm. So for his shoulder, we've got this disc, this oval there, and then another oval here. And this goes in and then around like this. Then he has like a bicep, what looks like a bicep anyway there, and his forearm down like that. And this again goes into his wrist. That's the same as the other side. Like so, right? And there's more details inside here. So the inside of his arm there. Another sort of forearm line here with a bit of a shadow in here. And goes to there, it goes in there. It's like these bolts and stuff sticking off, and then another line for his arm here, and then a connector going that way, and then some more of these little discs down here for his fingers and stuff. and you kind of make them look three-dimensional. And they have fingers, just these sort of metal pipes going down like that, right? Boom. Okay. So that's Alberto, requested by Emmanuel on Patreon. If anyone else has unusual requests like this of shows that I don't normally draw, or characters that I don't normally draw, head over to Patreon if you can afford it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.